Alright guys, what we're going to do here now is we will be using rounded corners in CSS with your HTML file. So let's start with your basic HTML template. Let's have the title CSS rounded corners. Let's just save this one first. Create a folder, CSS rounded corners. Let's have this as index. Okay, now we already have our HTML file. So we're going to use the div tag to place the data or the rounded corners that we will be showing later. So let's have this as class into, let's just have this shape one. Okay, let's have more of this since we will be showing different kinds of properties to create rounded corners and different usage. Let's just have first 4. Now let's proceed to our CSS file. So what we're going to do is let's try to define first our div tag or the divisions with some specifications that we wanted. So what I want here is I want it to be a square. So the size should be the same, its height and width. So let's have 200 pixels. I want to have a background color in purple. The display is inline block. Okay, before we proceed, let's try to save this one first. Let's have this as styles.css in your folder. Okay. To continue, let's have the margin 30 pixels and 50 pixels. Line height, same with the width and height. The borders, we want to have a border of 10 pixels of solid gold. Okay. Text alignment, center, of course. The font size, I want it to be 100 pixels, half of the size of the shape. The color, of course, I want it to be white. Okay. So what we have here now is we assign specifications or some properties in our div tag. Make these 4 div tags from our CSS styles or style sheets. So how we're going to show these styles on the div tag. So let's try to add a link tag with an href of styles.css. Okay, let's try to open first your file. Let's see if it works. Okay, opening your index file. Okay, as you can see, we have 4 shapes from our 4 divisions in our HTML files. Each of those are with specifications or details or properties that we have assigned in our styles.css. Now, what we're going to do here is we wanted to have rounded corners. So let's start with calling the shape number 1 or shape 1. Okay. So we will be focusing on using the border radius property because this alone can work on several features of the shapes or rounded corners. So let's start with uh, a value, any value. Okay, 25 pixels. Refresh. As you can see, the corners have changed into 25 pixels based on the value I have given. Okay, so mean to say, when you have given one value, it will apply on all four corners of the shape. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Shape number 2. This time, let's try to add two values of the corners. So let's have 25 and 50 pixels. Refresh. As you can see, the first value shows the value for the top left of the corner and the bottom right of the corner, and the next value is for the top right corner and the bottom left corner value. Okay, let's move on. Shape number 3. Okay, now let's have three values. Okay, shape, refresh. Okay, as for three values, as you can see, we don't know which is which. Okay, the first value is the top left corner. The second value is the top right corner and the bottom left corner. And the third value is the bottom right corner. And of course, for the fourth one, we will be using four values that will represent all of the corners. Okay. Oh, sorry. It should be 4. Refresh. Okay. As you can see, each corners represents each values that we have assigned in our border radius tag. We can also assign border radius tag in percentage. For example, let's add one more. Shape number 5. Okay. Let's go back to basic. We can also use percentage as for the value of the corners. Okay. For the shape number 5, it's here. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Should be here. I just don't know if you see it. Okay. So it will also apply for all of the corners using percentage values. So take note that there are only 5 properties that we can use in making rounded corners, but with using border radius only, we can assign all of the corners for each values that you wanted to be. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.